Hello! Today, I'd like to show you a tutorial about making an exercise about multiplication using Scratch app. You can use the exercise to improve your understanding about multiplication. Okay, let's see the tutorial. This is the first view of the application. To change the backdrop, click Stage and choose a backdrop. Click the chosen backdrop and the backdrop will automatically change. To change the sprite, choose a sprite and click the chosen sprite. The sprite will appear in the screen. Then, the sprite 1 can be deleted by click the trash can above. Replace the sprite wherever you want. To make a coding, the first step is click Events and choose when flag click. To make the sprite speak, click Looks and choose Say Hello for 2 seconds. We can change the text hello into another text. For example, I want to go there but I can't. If you want to add another text, drag another Say Hello for 2 second looks and change the text into another text. Next, we want to make a response after the user solves a problem. So, the first step is click Events and choose When I Receive Message 1. We can rename it into N. Then, because we have 2 possibilities of answers, we choose If Then Else control. Click the operators and choose this, drag into this. Because the determination of the response is the score, click Variable. We need 3 variables, so click Make a Variable and make variable score, variable number 1, and variable number 2. Since we only want to show the scores in the screen, don't forget to uncheck variable number 1 and variable number 2. Drag the variable score into this and determine the highest score that we want to get, for example 5. Then, to make the response, click Looks and choose the text in Say. Since we want to show the text and the score variable, we choose Join Operators and change apple into the text. For example, your score is, and the variable scores into banana. To add another text, click Looks and choose Say Hello for 2 seconds. Change hello into another text. This is the first possibility of answers. For the else part, click Looks and choose the text in Say. Like the previous part, we join the text and score by choosing Join Operators and change the first text. Then, drag variable score into banana and we put the response by adding Say Looks below. We change the text into this. The last step, click Ctrl and choose Stop All. Thus, we finish the first sprite. Now, we make an exercise about multiplication. Firstly, choose a sprite and click the chosen sprite. Replace the sprite wherever we want. To make a coding, click Events and choose When Flag Click. Then, click Looks and choose Set Size to 100%. To resize the sprite, change the percent, for example 75%, and choose Switch Custom to. If you want to know the button to A and button to B, click Customs. This is the button to A and this is the button to B. Next, the first step to make a coding is click Events and choose When the sprite click. Then, click Variables and choose Set My Variable to 0. Because the determination variable is score, we change the variable into score. Then, click Looks and choose Change Size by 10. We wait for 1 second and change size by -10. Because the exercise is repetitive, choose repeat on control and determine the repetition, for example 5. Then, click variables and choose set my variable to 0. Change the variable into number 1 and 0 into pick random 1 to 10 in operators. We do the same for variables number 2. We click variables and choose set my variables to 0, change the variable into number 2 and 0 into pick random 1 to 10 in operator. Next, click sensing and choose as what's your name and weight. Change the text by join operator and change apple in join by variable number 1. Change banana into join operators again. Change apple into X and change banana into join operators again. Change apple into variable number 2 and banana into equal to. Because the answer has two possibilities, click Ctrl and choose if then else. Choose these operators and drag into this. Click sensing and choose answer. Then, change 50 into operators this because it is a multiplication. Then, click variables and choose change my variable by 1 to change the score. Change my variable into score variable. In else part, click looks and choose say hello for 2 seconds. Click operators and choose join because we want to show both the tag and the score. Change apple into correct answer is and banana into operators of multiplication. In the end, click looks and choose switch custom to button to be. Then, click events and choose broadcast end. The last step, click Ctrl and choose stop all. Change all into this script. To see the output, click the green flag. So, this is a tutorial to make an exercise about multiplication material. Thank you for watching and